Today, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Go Jae-in, and today I'm excited to present to you our proposal focused on improving accessibility for the visual impaired through enhancement to the current Seeing AI app. Our team 3i has been working hard on refining and advancing the capabilities of this app, and our improved version is named Seeing AI Pro. To start with, I will briefly outline the content of today's presentation. Firstly, we'll introduce the core aspects of Seeing AI Pro. Next, we will move on to a video demonstration where a blind user interacts with our apps to identify current challenges and problems, then provide solution for it. Following that, we will presenting a flowchart detailing our improved application and then discuss the production process of the improved app. And finally, we'll highlight the benefits of this enhancement before concluding the presentation. So these are our team. We call ourselves 3i, which stand for 3 introvert, reflecting the unique dynamic and creativity we'll bring to this project. Our team consists of me, Go Jae-in, Tan Iya, and Tae Ru Chen. Let's dive in with an overview of this proposal. So Seeing AI is an app developed by Microsoft aims to empower blind individuals by leveraging their smartphone cameras to scan and describe their surroundings. This innovative tool offers many features to assist blind users, including the recognition of text, documents, products, people, accuracy, scenery, colors, handwriting, and light. However, upon immersing ourselves in the experience of using Seeing AI as if we were blind, we identify the challenge posed by its current feature set and notice its usability for blind users is hindered by certain limitations. Therefore, the main objective of our proposal is to improve its usability to suit the needs of blind people. Now let's move on to the problem and solution phase. We believe that the best way to understand the challenge faced by our users is to see the app in action. In the following video, you will observe a blind person using Seeing AI apps to navigate a typical daily scenarios. You can pay attention to the difficulties encountered during the test. Then our group member Ru Chen will explain about it.
Hello, this is 3i. I am Yiya and this is Ruqian. Now we will do a short review on the testing we performed on the current version of Seeing AI and identify the problems of it. So now we'll start the video.
Now I want to test this Seeing AI apps. Okay, so
This is the setup.
okay, so now I can't see anything, so
I will help you to.
touch. Okay.
Actually, a lot of things happen in the setup process.
And I didn't know anything.
Yes, maybe it is because the system does not give voice instruction.
I agree. When I was blindfolded, I cannot see any visual clues, so it's nearly impossible for me to set out the apps alone. Let's continue the video. So now I want to do some classes. I want to buy a place. So I want to choose a Siri mode so I can walk through the sound. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Can't see anything.
Short text.
Short text.
Document.
Oh.
Oh, now this is product. Cancel.
Product. Product. Scene.
Oh.
Scene.
Oh, same. Okay. Oh, I want to take a photo for the same.
Processing.
Oh.
A person standing under a table.
Oh, so I don't know which I know something to do.
Okay, okay, you. Okay, you. Oh, no, stop.
Processing. Product.
Okay. Twitch.
Product. Scene. Preview.
Now go to people mode to identify the people.
Scene. Preview.
Scroll, try to scroll left. Here. Okay, yes. Okay, can. Now you have to. Okay, now you have to. This is correct.
Oh, here I was trying to switch the mode and identify different kind of things, but the mode switching needs to scroll on very specific place and the icon is too small.
Yes. Also, when you are scrolling, the detail of each mode keeps pop up. It blocks the screen and it did not notify you.
Yeah, exactly. I feel like the user interface is too hard to use for a blind people. Okay, so back to the video again.
This is correct. See. Okay, now to it's not press okay. Here, here. Okay. This is oh, my cancel. Now try to take a photo of the paper. Scroll right. Okay. Here. Okay, yes, try to take a photo. It doesn't identify the new. Okay. 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 This is okay. Now play the text. Okay, now start the okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah, okay. Now you go back. Okay, okay. Okay, go back. Okay.
Okay, so done.
So Ru Qian successfully finished the task, which is to use Seeing AI to buy a drink with some difficulties.
Oh, so in conclusion, I think CAI is too hard to be used individually as the visually impaired person. For example, in the last part of the video, the currency cannot be identified if it was not set out to the Malaysian ringgit.
I agree. But aside from that, the app can actually identify object accurately, so it will be a great help if the problem could be solved.
Yeah.
We find out some solution for the problem just now. First way, using voice assistant AI that using voice command to communicate with user instead of the visual clue. Besides, we also implement location service which automatically determine location through GPS or IP address data. It is help in user when the setup process. So how is it going? Let's see the video for the solution.
Now it's a simulation for improvement of seeing AI. Okay, so now I put my eye mask. Open the seeing AI.
Hi, this is Seeing AI. Now I will help you to complete the setup. Do you want to allow access for the camera, microphone, and location? Say yes to allow access.
Oh, yes.
Location detected, Malaysia. Language is set to English. Do you want to change language?
No. I want to go drink box and can you help me to find the drink box?
Hold the camera higher.
Okay.
Okay.
Drink box identified. Walk straight for about 2 meters. Move camera right slowly. Okay, menu detected. What do you want to buy?
100 plus.
Alright, the price for 100 plus is 2 ringgit.
Okay, so I pay all the money and show it on the camera.
Money detected. 2 pieces of 1 ringgit.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Now I will explain to you the user guide of the new and improved Seeing AI app. So now we will start the process. First, the user will turn on the application. Then the application will then auto-detect the location. And then after the location has been detected, it will automatically set the language and currency of the app. Then the user is required to confirm the language and currency to be set. So if the user select no, then they may manually set language and currency. And if yes, then the system will welcome user, and then the user can say next or any prompt that would let our AI assistant understand. Then the assistant will voice the enrollment prompt. So the user will then have to give the enrollment responses. Next, our AI assistant will then recognize the confirmation. Then the user can now set the assistant's name. Next, up to the production of the improved Seeing AI Pro. First, the research and development phase. So start the process. First, we'll explore the Azure Cognitive Services such as speech-to-text and natural language processing for the voice interaction of the AI assistant. Next, we will design a user-friendly voice interface for navigation. Then, we will develop an algorithm and spectrogram for speech recognition. Lastly, we will implement machine learning models and NLPs, that is natural language processing, and then end the process. The second one is the integration phase. So start the process. We will integrate auto detection and voice interface into the setup process. So this will ensure the seamless communication with Azure and OpenAI. Conduct extensive testing to validate the reliability and responsiveness of the voice interface across different user scenarios. So the integration phase is ended. The third one is optimization phase. So we will refine the machine learning and NLP models during the optimization phase. So it will optimize the performance and scalability of the solution. Then lastly, we will gather and incorporate the user feedback during the optimization phase. Lastly, the commercial launch. So we will prepare the documentation, tutorials, and user guides. Then we will now coordinate marketing efforts to promote the enhanced accessibility of the application. Lastly, we will monitor the performance and user certification. Next, I'll talk about the benefits of our improved Seeing AI Pro. So the user will have greater accessibilities through this improved version of the app because they will no longer input with the buttons. So they will use voice command and auditory feedback. So it will be very convenient for the users because it has the automatic location-based settings, such as automatically detect what language based on the location and also the currency. So this is a user-friendly navigation with a simplified UI. It has a voice-activated navigation. Lastly, the personalization. The system will learn and adapt to the individual user preferences and need over time through the machine learning algorithm. As a conclusion, our goal is to enhance the usability of Seeing AI for blind users. We will then use collaborating approach to simplify the application improvements. We wish to empower blind individuals to navigate the world effortlessly and independently. Thank you. We are 3i. Goodbye.